Today, we're thrilled to host members of the SC&RA who are participating in the crane and rigging workshop this year. Here in Tulsa, we manufacture our McKissick line of blocks and sheaves. We also service and test several of our other product lines before ultimately the products are shipped out to our channel partners and to our customers worldwide.
Yeah, so we've got a great support team here in Tulsa. We've got our Center of Excellence for Customer Service. We've got a Center of Excellence for Sales Application Engineering and Block Shiv and Engineered Solutions. So our custom solutions all originate out of this Tulsa facility, and we're partnering with end users every day to understand what they need, what they want, and how the Crosby Group can be a part of that solution for whatever lift they're doing.
Crosby's been involved with SC&RA for many years, attending their conferences, having guest speakers, exhibiting at their trade show. So it really was an excellent opportunity to bring both parties together, showcase our facility, and really educate the end user base and their membership base around how our products are manufactured and used in the field.
And one of my favorite parts where their eyes really lit up is when you take them into the roll forging process, and we're heating up the sheaves and forming the rim around it, and nobody else in the world does that process. So they got to see something that truly is one of a kind.
We love showing off our facility to end users. It gives us an opportunity to show them how our quality products are made, all the effort and time that goes into building the Kito Crosby product.
It was a great tour, and we learned all about how sheaves are made and testing processes, and everything was a great tour to go through. I advise anybody who wants any of the rigging business to take the tour.
Wanted to thank everyone at Crosby for doing such a great job in combination with SC&RA for this event. All the stations were incredibly informative. Everyone did a great job maintaining their enthusiasm after hearing the same questions over and over. It was wonderful to hear the origin story of all the great Crosby products. Thanks a lot.